Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to create a quiz app with the help of ChatGPT. Firstly, write the command that, how to create a quiz app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with example. After that, OpenAI generates some lines of code. When ChatGPT will stop generating, then copy the HTML code and paste to your VS Code file. After that, check the HTML output in your browser. Same like copy CSS code and paste into your code editor. After some time, check the CSS output in your browser and again done this procedure for JavaScript code. And that's it. You've just created an advanced quiz app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We hope you found this video helpful and feel free to modify the code to add more functionality or improve the styling. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.